Okay, 3D printer TikTokers. If you haven't tried this filament yet, by One. It's metallic steel. It's stiffer than regular PLA, but this stuff just shine on it's amazing. Looks real nice, prints real nice. If you look at it, it's got some. Looks like it basically looks like stainless steel. The best part of this stuff is it's got metal flakes in it, so it's actually magnetic. So I got these little tiny magnets. They're not very powerful magnets, but you can see that I just rotated it and they're still stuck to it. So this stuff is actually pretty sweet. So this is my little Frodo sword, or dagger. Turned out pretty nice, I like it.